Hey, hello champions. This is just a quick video to get started with creation of billing alarm in the new UI. So let's get started. So once you log into the Amazon console, you can go back to the CloudWatch. Okay. So let's search for CloudWatch, and I want you to be in the North Virginia region because that's the default region where we can get all the billing alerts. So I want you to click on CloudWatch and I want you to go back to the North Virginia region. I was already on that screen, but just for your information, I'll do that again for you. So I am into North Virginia region and CloudWatch service. So this is a dashboard that you will see for CloudWatch. Let's wait for it to come up. Okay. And now when you under alarms, you will see three options. Okay. So if it is not collapsed, you can click on alarms, it will collapse with following options. I want you to click on billing. Okay. And I moved my screen in the mid of this so that you can see all those options. So we are in North Virginia region, CloudWatch, and we are about to create an alarm. Now, first important thing, why do we need this alarm? So guys, this is the very first lab that you're getting started with. But in this entire curriculum, you'll be doing a lot of labs. And if at all you leave anything running by mistake, thinking that you'll delete those resources, I don't want you to incur any surprise billing. Okay. So we are creating a quick alarm so that if at all by mistake you leave anything running, and if it is charging you, you should get a alert if the threshold exceeds. So we'll be creating a billing alarm for $10. Okay. So you can see two options here, create alarm. You can click on any of those. So let's click on create alarm. Okay. Now the difference is, though you see two options. So if you click the first option, like as selected, it will directly show you the metric. Okay. And you can directly go ahead to create this one, but I will use the other option so that you are clear with both the options. So you see two options to create alarm, this one and this one. So this one is very quick, easy. You can click and go ahead, but let's go ahead with this one. So if you click on this create alarm, you see it's asks you to create, or select metric. So you can select metric. Okay. And click on billing and you can select total estimated charge. So this is the metric that you select. And once you select, which is in USD, so it's currency USD. And once you select this metric, you are again at the same screen that we saw a few minutes back. So you can see the metric name we are using is estimated charges and the billing is under USD and it is static. And this alarm would periodically monitor the check after every 6 hours. Okay. The threshold type here is static or anomaly detection. So anomaly is if anything is, an unusual thing is detected, but here we want it to be static. Okay. So make sure you are using the static threshold because our threshold will not change. Our threshold will remain the same. And we want our billing, to trigger an alarm if the billing exceeds $10. So we will say greater than $10. So the currency is already USD. So this allows us to create a threshold of static alarm where if the billing exceeds, which is greater than $10, it will trigger an alert. Now there are some additional configurations here. I want you to leave this as it is. Okay. So even if once the threshold is hit, it will trigger an alarm. So we will go with this. We'll click next. Okay, and now the alarm will trigger, and here is the topic that we have to create. So if at all you have existing topic like I have, good, you can select those. But since you are doing this for the first time, so you can select create a new topic, and let's give it some name. So I'll give it my billing alarm. Okay, and here you'll have to give your email ID. Please make sure you give your legitimate ID. So I'll give my email ID here because you will receive an email. So say create topic, so it will create topic here. And here we are using one more service, SNS, that is simple notification service, which will throw an alert in the form of email. Okay, so if you quickly open SNS service, I want you to quickly open SNS service in another console just for your information. Okay, so let's give it some moment. Okay, so I'll click that in the new browser. Now this is just for your information. You can skip this. This step is not necessary, but I'll also show you this topic once we create it. So the thing is, you will receive an automated alert. Okay, so you scroll down, you select next. Okay, now give it the alarm some name. So we will again give my billing alarm. Okay, and we'll click next. So you can see this is the threshold that it will click, like, it is monitoring the $10, and if the billing exceeds $10, it will throw an alarm. So you can scroll down and finally say create alarm. Okay. So once you click create alarm, you can see this shows insufficient data. And in fact, if I, let me show you this. Okay, so action enabled. Okay, warning action enabled. And here you might have also received an email to confirm. So let's check if you have received any email, because we'll have to confirm that topic. So just give me a quick second. Okay, so guys, you can see you would have received this kind of email, okay, on your mail ID that you just gave. You can click on subscription. Now, once you confirm the subscription, you will receive this kind of notification. You'll see here. Let's wait. URL is little slow. So once you have confirmed the subscription, guys, now once you see the screen, please don't click on this, because once you click this, as a human tendency, we see some link here and we click here to unsubscribe. So you'll be unsubscribed, which means once the threshold exceeds, you won't receive an alert because you just unsubscribed. So once you just confirm the subscription, just leave it as it is. Don't click on this and you should be good. So I'll go back here and you can see the alarm is now okay. You might see insufficient data for some time, because anyways the alarm will be checking after 6 hours. But as long as you have created this alarm, you are good. So make sure you create alarm and you are set for getting started with your labs. That is what we had in this quick recording today. Make sure you write your 3 to 5 key learnings, and I look forward to see you in my next video. Cheers. Bye bye.